Here are 10 words that you could use instead of see in your English, writing and speaking to improve your English level. Number 1, glance, a quick brief or look at something.
Okay, then I glance at my blind spot.
Occasionally, I would see him glance towards me in a slightly knowing way.
Number 2, glimpse, a fleeting or brief view of something.
And it was just a glimpse. It was a second.
I caught a glimpse of the killer through the door.
Number 3, gaze, to fix one's eye upon something intently and steadily. Number 4, stare, to look at something with a prolonged, intense and often unblinking gaze. Number 5, glare, to stare fiercely and angrily at something or someone. Number 6, peek, to take a quick and often secretive and cautious look. Coming in at number 7 is to look. Number 8, view, the act of seeing or looking at something from a particular perspective.
We were supposed to be here at 2 o'clock to view the flat, yeah?
Number 9 is to watch, to observe something over a period of time, often with the intention of monitoring changes. For example, watching TV.
Go watch TV.
If you're going to watch the game, do so from behind the player.
Number 10, observe, to watch or notice and pay attention to something deliberately. 2 bonus words, to inspect, to examine something closely. And the final bonus word, scan, to quickly look over or examine something.